Hello students, welcome to online maths class. How are you students? Yes, I am also fine. I hope you are all safe and healthy. Okay students, so what did we learn in last class? Dear students, what did we learn in last class? So symmetry. Okay, what did we learn in last class? Symmetry. Today, it's the same topic. It's a symmetry, simple shapes. So, what is the topic? Symmetry, simple shapes. Okay. So, before we class started, one activity. Okay. You are a very good students. I know. Okay. So, I told big fish. So you also try this way. Okay. Small fish, big fish. Okay. Shall I try? Shall we try? Okay. Small fish, big fish, big fish, small fish, small fish, big fish, big fish, big fish, small fish. Okay, students, you also try this game. Okay, so today we learn about symmetric simple shape. Symmetric simple shape. Okay, welcome to online maths class, students. So what is mean by symmetry? First, we recall the symmetry, then we move to simple shapes. Okay, so something is symmetrical when it is the same on both sides. So, same on both sides. A shape has symmetry. Okay, a shape has symmetry if a central dividing the line a mirror line. So, what is the main one? So, mirror line. Okay, mirror line. Okay, for example, okay, see the board mark. So, this is the mirror line. So, this line is the mirror line. Okay. So, both sides are equal. So, something is symmetrical when it is the same on both sides. Same on both sides. Okay. A shape has symmetry. A shape has symmetry. Okay. If a central right dividing the line, a mirror line. Okay. It can be drawn. It can be drawn on it to show the both sides. To show the both sides. Okay. Right sides and left sides are equal. So it's a mirror image. So sides of the shape are exactly same. Exactly. Okay students, something is symmetrical when it is the same on both sides. Same on both sides. Okay, right side and left side. Right side and left side. A shape has symmetry if a central dividing, okay, central. So central dividing, okay, dividing a line, mirror line. So this is a mirror line. So can be drawn on it to show both sides of the shape are exactly the same. So exactly the same. So this is a symmetrical. Okay. Do you know the symmetrical mark? So what is that? Something is symmetrical when it's the same of the both sides. Symmetrical. Okay. So what are the main four types of symmetry? You know already. So what is the first one? Translation, rotation, reflection and again reflection. So what are the four types of symmetry? Once again we recall. So what is the first one? Translations. Okay, see the board. Okay, four types of symmetry. Four types of symmetry. Okay, four types of symmetry. So, what is the first one? What is the first one? Translation. Okay, So what is the next one? Rotation. Second, rotation. So what is the next one? Reflection. So what is the next one? Reflection. And fourth one, gill reflection. Okay, so what is the first one? Translations, rotations, reflection and gill reflection. These are the four types of symmetry. Okay, so what is the first one? Translation, translations, rotations and reflections and gill reflections. These are the main four types of symmetry. Okay, so next one. So, what do you mean by symmetry? So, symmetric is defined as a balance and a similarity which is formed into two halves on an object. Okay, two halves on an object. For example, okay, see some example. So this is heart. Okay. So this is a mirror image. So symmetrical picture. So it's a mirror image. So one right side and the left side also equal. Second one is butterfly. So the wings also equal. Okay. So this is a symmetrical image. So next one also symmetrical image. Okay. So these also some examples of lines of symmetry. Okay, so these also some examples of lines of symmetry. Okay, ma? So, symmetric is defined as a balance and similarity which is found into two halves and an object. That is, one half is the mirror image. One half is the mirror image. Okay, one half is the mirror image of the other half. Okay, so the imaginary line or axis along which you can fold figure to obtain symmetrical. Half is called at the symmetry. Half is called at the symmetry. Okay, ma? Do you understand? Okay, so to obtain the symmetrical halves is called at the line of symmetry. Okay, see the next one. So, what is the symmetry in simple words? Okay, so mathematically, symmetric means that one shape become exactly other shape. Okay, so one shape exactly other shape. So see there. So this is heart picture. So one shape exactly other picture. Okay, so it move it some way, turn, flip or slide for two objects to be the symmetrical. They must be the same size and shape with one object having a different from the first. So this is different from the first. So it's a one object. It's the same. Right side and left side also equal. So this is the mirror image. Okay. Do you understand? Okay. So next one. So how to symmetric in used in daily life? Okay, students, you tell the answer. You already know. So how to symmetric is used in daily life. So really, if examples of symmetry, reflections of trees. So what is the first one? Reflections of trees. So clear water and reflections of mountains in a clear water. So mountains in a lake. So wings of most butterflies. So wings of most butterflies. So see there. So it's equal. Okay. So wings of butterfly, most butterfly identically on the left and right side. Left and right side. Okay. See the picture. Left and right sides. Some human faces are the same on the left side and right side. Some human faces also same left side and right side. Okay, people can also have a symmetrical musculars. Okay, so reflection on the trees. So first one, reflections on the trees. So clear water reflections, mountain, lakes. So water wings of the most butterflies is the symmetrical image. Okay. So students, you take a page number 85. Take a page number 85. First we learn symmetry, then we move to symmetry, simple shapes. Okay. So an object is said to have symmetry when its one half looks exactly like its other half. One half looks exactly like to other half. Okay. See the slide mark. So take a look at the butterfly. See the butterfly mark. See the butterfly. So the wings on the left look exactly like the wings on the right. Okay. Thus we can say that the wings of the object butterfly are symmetrical. So the butterfly are symmetrical. The line that divides an object here butterfly. Okay. So into two equal parts is called a line of symmetry. So this is a line of symmetry. Okay. Okay students. So an object is said to have a symmetry when its one half looks exactly like its other half. Okay. Take a look at the butterfly. Take look at the butterfly. Okay. I have one butterfly picture. See there. So this is a butterfly image. Okay. So the wings on the left side look exactly like the wings on the right side. Okay. So exactly looks on the right side. So the line that divides an object, your butterfly, into two equal parts is called a line of symmetry. So it's a line of symmetry. So the wings, so both sides are equal. So this is a line of symmetry. Okay, ma? So you already know line of symmetry in different shapes. Okay. So what is the first one? So rectangle, line of symmetry 2, and square, line of symmetry 4, and pentagon, line of symmetry 5. Okay. So hexagon, lines of symmetry 6. So diamond, lines of symmetry 2. Okay. Circle, lines of symmetry infinite. Okay. So circle, so line of symmetry infinite. Okay. So today we learn about simple shape. Symmetry, simple shape. So read the question. Tell whether the dotted line on each letter object represents a line of symmetry, right? Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? Okay. Listen carefully. Okay, so what is the first one? So this is one rectangle. So this is line of symmetry, this line. So this is right or wrong, ma? So you take a page number. So you take a page number 85. So first one is rectangle. So lines of symmetry is 2. So this one is correct answer. And this rectangle is no. So write it no. This is worksheet number 12. Worksheet number 12. Okay. Page number 87. Page number 87. So first one is no. So second one, you see. Okay. So second shade. So this is symmetrical image. So this is correct answer. So right? Yes. Okay. So this is a symmetrical image. So this is asymmetrical. Okay. This is not a correct answer. So this is the correct answer. Please write fast. Students write fast. Okay. So next one. So next one, next picture. Okay, so this is the mirror image or symmetrical. So this is also correct. So this is yes. So this is the correct answer. So yes. So take a pencil, right fast. So this is yes. So this is a symmetrical image. So next one. So this is no. This is no. Asymmetrical. So what's the last one? No. Okay. So first one is tell whether the dotted line on each letter object represents a line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. Write yes or no. Okay. So first one is no. Second one yes. Second one yes. Okay. First one no. First one no. This is not a symmetrical. Okay. Second one yes. Second one yes. So this is the symmetrical. Okay. So C. So this is yes. So third one yes. So this is symmetrical image. Okay. So fourth one no. Fourth one no. This is asymmetrical. Okay. So this is asymmetrical. Do you understand, ma? So next one. So what is the next one? So draw and write the numbers of lines of symmetry for the shapes given below. Draw and write the numbers of lines symmetry for the shapes given below. Okay, students. So see the next one. So, take a page number 87. Draw and write the number of the line of symmetry for the shapes given below. Okay. First, you take a sharpened pencil and ruler. Okay. Now we move to you take a pencil and follow me. Okay. See the board. So first one, so dividing a mirror image, symmetry. Okay. So next one also. So this image have two lines of symmetry. Two. So lines of symmetry. Two. Please write one, students. So this is a lines of symmetry. Two. Okay. Write fast. Two. Okay. So what is the next picture? So this is smiley picture. So what is the next picture? So this is a okay. So I delivered a symmetrical. So the line of symmetry. So line of symmetry. One. Line of symmetry. One. So this oneness, so lines of symmetry 2 and smiley have a one line of symmetry. Right fast, students. Right fast. You have 5 seconds only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So can I rub the board? So what is the next picture? So next picture is cotton. Okay, so next one is cotton. So what is the next picture? So next one is one of the cross picture. Okay, ma. So you take a ruler, use in a ruler. Okay. So okay. So you take a ruler. So first one is so divide a symmetrical picture. So the line of symmetry 1. Okay. So line of symmetry. So line of symmetry 1. Line of symmetry 1. And these have line of symmetry 4. So 2. So 2. Okay. 3 and 4. Okay. So 1 point. So it's the first point. So line of symmetry. Line of symmetry is 4. Okay, ma? So write fast, students. So first one is so arrow mark. So draw and write the number of line of symmetry for the shapes given below. Okay. So first one is 2. So line of symmetry first is 2. Okay. Write fast. See the slide also. Okay. First one, 2. Second one, 1. So line of symmetry, 1. Line of symmetry, 1. So third one, 1. So line of symmetry, 1. Line of symmetry, 1. Okay. So fourth picture, the line of symmetry, 4. Fourth one line of image is 4. Okay. So what are the main theme today? So symmetric shapes. So what are the main? So symmetric shapes. Okay. So first one, take whether the dotted line on each letter object represents a line of symmetry. Right? Yes or no. So first we recall. So first one is no. So this is asymmetrical. So second one is yes. So this is a symmetrical image. Okay. So third one is yes. So write in a yes. Okay. So these also symmetrical. Okay, ma. So next one D. So this is a symmetrical. No, asymmetrical. So this is asymmetrical. Okay. Write fast. So next one, draw and write the number of lines of symmetry for the shapes given below. So what is the first one? So the line of symmetry 2. Line of symmetry 2. What is the next one? So smiley. So the line of symmetry 1. Line of symmetry 1. So C, the line of symmetry 1. The line of symmetry 1. So fourth one, the line of symmetry 4. The line of symmetry 4. Okay, ma. So this is worksheet number 12. So do this. It's the same process. So you have draw any images or pictures. Okay, you have to divide into mirror image or symmetrical. Okay, so you write a symmetrical image and asymmetrical image. Today homework. Okay, write any 10 symmetrical image and asymmetrical images. Okay, write a names only. Okay, thank you students. This class is useful for you. Okay, take care. Bye.